we're gonna play Minecraft. And instead, we're gonna create a new world. Okay?
Baka nag-usap na sila.
I don't wanna make my... No, I like it to keep inventory because it's good, bro. Let me start in peaceful mode, okay?
Hindi, baka
Let's
sinasabi
go!
ko. Pero ang inaano ko na lang, doon sa arbiter.
Yeah.
Kasi kung makikilitan din naman yan sila na, ay sige, yaman na. Sige, malagagalo lang.
This is, by the way, this is the second day playing Minecraft again. And if you see the rivals game I play, just watch it, please. Okay. Here's it. Okay, give me this. Thank you. No, give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Open this. Give me 10. Give it them. Give it here. Mama, yung kumakain po ako sa gabi ng latsa, tapos yung ngayon, tapos yung tumain ako pang kulay red. Di naman sigo.
Tigilan mo rin na chow. Umaanghang. Pagkain daw na kagabi, pagkain daw na kami.
Sorry guys, I'm just a Philippines kid. Okay. Sorry guys that I'm Philippines kid. But I'm trying my best to be a English player.
Ilang araw pa naman.
Let me kill this ship. Yeah, thank you. Oh, at least I have a food, bro. Let me find some labas. Let me find something. Okay. Okay. Why? Oh, guys. Wait. Oh my god. What's... I thought it was a stone. Let me find one. I thought there was a wood. Oh, a stone, bro. Hey, I forgot. It's not a wood. It's a stone. Okay. My goal is to find Uy! I will find stone. I don't know what the name it is. Okay, here. Like this, thank you. There. Let's create something. Okay. Wait guys. Let me explain to the map. What? No! Where's my pickaxe? Where did it go? Never mind, I have one. Please don't let it go. I'm about to drown. Yes, probably. I can eat something. What are my goal is? What? Hello, say hi to my little friend. Bye bye. I feel bad about that. So sorry, I just need it because I wanna develop so fast. But there find wait, let me find I didn't know. Let me find the end portal and the portal. Just to settle this up, I did water, at least lava pool and water. The first video, my sibling, um, my sibling broke my sibling. I don't know what to do. Wait, I know my my sibling made the lava gone, and I can and there's no lava more. So I quit in that world and find a new one. And this is my lucky. Oh, lucky! Lucky. Let me find my skibidi bidi. Bed. Thanks for the bed. Get out of here. But I've got something. But I don't have that. But I will come back.
Mauya. Ang ina. Fresh meat. Bango yun.
Bao?
Bango.
Hindi kaya. Sorry, it's stinky.
Tugtog lang ama. Tugtog lang. Since day one. Ano ba ko eh? Huwag ka nang manood. Yung resume namin mo. Oh, bakit ako? Ay, bukas na lang eh.
Yeah.
Papa, hindi nag-forma sa'yo. Nag-volunteer ka.
Yes, thank you. I'm a mines.
Ikaw na yun. Kaya kung pagbibigyan masarap.
Wait.
Saniyos ka na. Lalo na di ko please be one.
Oh my God! Ayun! Not me.
Pabig.
I got irons.
Ano ba dito yan? May table ka na naman gagawin. Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo?
Gagalit.
Ito, gusto ko
Ayaw mo?
Hindi, gagalit. Galit yan eh.
Pinapanood ka na.
Ito, ganyan. Makapag-stop sa'yo.
Na-content lang ako.
Masakit na!
Sabi ako!
Sige.
Sabi!
Bye!
Ayaw ko pa ba eh? Kumusta school mo?
Okay lang.
Ano okay lang? Ayaw ko lang okay lang. Magkwento ka.
Okay.
Pinipilit yung kuhanan yun. Kahit ba, pwede i-report yun. Baka
Ano?
yan.
Bakit?
Hindi nila kasi ba mukha tatay
Yung
mo?
ano, yung classmate ko na kumuha ng hotdog ay, sabi, mayroon siyang baon, sabi niya, pwede ako patikman yung itlog mo? Sabi ko, ayoko ba yung baon eh.
Oh, tapos?
Yun, tapos pinipilit niya pa, kaya sinabi, kaya naano ko. Kaya hindi ko na lang siya pinansin, sabi ko, bahala ka dyan.
Tapos?
Kaya kumain ako.
Tapos kumuha pa rin siya.
Hindi, inubos ko na pagkain ko. Di siya nakakain.
Ah. Yun naman pala eh. Ano naman? Ano baon niya?
No!
Klase ko yung tatay nun sa mukha.
Ano ba baon niya?
Hmm?
Ano baon nun?
Ano yun? Di ko alam kung mga pangalan. Wait
Mas
lang.
tinggalan kasi na ito magkwento. Ano nakaraan? Tinodo
Sabi,
ng
guys.
biscuit niya. Ayaw mo siya tinapay. Tapos, tinodo ng lalaki. Sabi niya, hati tayo. Tapos sabi niya, ayoko niyan. Parang sa'yo, ayoko niyan, sa'yo na yan. Gumanon siya. Kaya kailangan mong pakwento ng maayos kay Yenyen kasi magkakaroon ka ng problema kapag kainan ng mobile tapos di mo nilang yung storya. Parang hindi ka rin bayad.
Sabi guys.
Hindi ko gawin siya eh.
Ay, gago. Hindi ko ito yung saber.
Tango!
Ano?
Bobo!
Ano? Patay na. Patay. Skill.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh, walang tinamaan. Putang ina mo. Matagal na ako dito.
Ako ba ako?
Ganito niyo ako.
Si ba kasi yan kaya hindi yan kaya matatalo si kuya? Ang kasi ba yan?
Bumalag mo. Ang lakas ng tama. Sabog ang tae.
Oh my God!
Uy, yung engay mo naman.
Engay?
Ang engay.
Sorry guys.
Hindi na, boss. Ikaw naman
Ito
tama.
konti. Jackie.
Hindi na, boss.
Chap 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 chap.